So we are now ready to create health. Now before we get into reducing health and having that affect lives, we're just going to represent health graphically. Now the simplest way to do this, and I'm talking so simple that it might be graphically embarrassing, is to use a font to represent your health. So real quick, I'm going to test the game just to give you a refresher. You'll see it says draw text ... and there are 3 dots if you look closely. Draw text 2 dots, draw text 1 dot. Those dots show up here, so I have 3 dots, and when I get hit I will have 2 dots. When I get hit a second time I have 1 dot. All we're doing here is doing a when drawing. Okay, make your when drawing event. Choose the font that you want. I made a life meter font, I'm calling it. And all my life meter font is just a default font with a large font size. I made it 75, so when I make a period, it's going to be large on my screen. So back to level 1. If we have 3, if our health is 3, we haven't set up health yet. Let me give you a quick refresher on that. It's the same thing. Game attributes. We're creating a new attribute. It's a number. We're calling it health. You can set your initial value to whatever you want. Okay. If health equals 3, draw text ... at my XY coordinate. With a large font, I had to get into negative Y values, 540 by negative 50. Otherwise, if health equals 2, draw just 2 dots. Otherwise, if health equals 1, draw 1 dot. And if health equals 0, draw a 0. And this happens so fast because the game will, your character will die and reload. You won't even see the 0. But this is the most basic way to actually have a simple health bar appear. And in the next videos, we will get into the code that reduces health and relates to lives. And a sneak peek, that is right over here with these 3 codes where we have health reduce, health begin, and lose a life. But we will go over these step by step in the next video.